Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to take you on how to take accurate body measurements. And the first thing to measure is the shoulder. When measuring the shoulder to shoulder, also known as shoulder width or shoulder span, make sure the shoulder is relaxed and not slouched or tensed up. Make sure the shoulder is relaxed. Then locate the edge of the shoulder where the shoulder meets the arm. Place the tape on it. Cross the tape over to the opposite shoulder. When they mean opposite shoulder, to the next shoulder. Then you take your measurements in centimeter or inches. Then the next thing to measure is your nape to shoulder. To locate your nape to shoulder, find the base of the neck. Find the base where the neck meets the back. The back is called nape. So identify your shoulder parts. First of all, locate the nape. The nape is where the neck meets the base of the body. So after that, you identify the middle parts of the base. Then take it across to the shoulder. That will give you your nape to shoulder measurements. Then the next thing to measure now is the nape to elbow. So you ask your client to put their hand on their waist to take that one. So from this base, from the middle to the shoulder, then across to the elbow, you take your tape through to the elbow. Then the next thing to take now is the nape to wrist. Mind you are not going to remove your tape from the shoulder. So you take your tape to the elbow, to the wrist. Then you write down your measurements. We are done for that. The next measurement to take is the nape to waist. The nape to waist measurement. So the next thing, we already know where the nape is. So to identify the waistline, locate your natural waistline, usually around the narrowest part of your torso, narrowest part of your back, where your back goes in. So from your nape to where your back goes in, that is your nape to waist. Nape to waist, to where your back goes in. Then after identifying it, you place your tape on it. Then you write your measurements out. Then the next thing to take now is the neck to waist. The back is nape to waist, while the front one is neck to waist. So neck to waist. To take our neck measurements, locate the base of the neck as we locate the nape at the back. So the base of the neck is around here. This is our base. So the base here, you locate it to the waistline. To the waistline. The waistline at the front means to the navel. Some people call it neck to navel. Some people call it neck to waist, while some call it half length. But normally in pattern drafting, it's called neck to waist. So you place your tape on the neck and to your waist, not like this, but it will go across your bust to the waist. The next measurement to take now is the neck to stand right, the neck to under bust. Still place your tape on the neck area to your under bust where the bust stop. Then the next thing is neck to bust point, that is from your neck to your nipple. That's what we call neck to bust point. So you take it in centimeter or inches. The next thing now is neck to break point. Sorry, when I mean neck to break point, I mean the middle part of your body where the bust separate, sorry. The separation between the separation of your breast is what we call break point. So to get that, you place your tape on the neck and you measure, not too deep, don't make it too deep. We use this one for in order to for the baseline for v-neck. We use it when we are shaping v-neck. Maybe you don't want your v-neck to be too deep or you want it too deep. This is what will guide you for shaping v-neck, sweethearts. Yes, all those sweethearts shaping. This neck to break points will be your guideline. So you measure it in centimeter or inches. The next thing now to measure is our neck to under bust. I think we've already taken our neck to under bust, neck to bust point and neck to break point. Then the next measurement now is neck to knee, neck to ankle, neck to floor. So these are neck to knee. We usually use it for dresses, for short dress, long dress and flowing dress. The neck to knee is for the short dress. The neck to ankle is for the dress that maybe for pencil dress, and the for neck to floor is for flowing dress. So you are still going to add allowance to it when you are sewing. So to our nail, the measurement, the tape is going through the nail and to the ankle, then to the floor. Now we are going to take the bust measurement. The bust measurement, you place your tape round the chest area, round the bust, not tight. Don't make it too tight or too loose because you are still going to add ease when you are drafting your pattern. So you write down your measurements. Then waist circumference, you locate your waist area. You locate your waist, then you place your tape around the waist, not too tight and not too loose. Make sure it's not tight and make sure it's not too loose, and try to rotate it like this. Then the next measurement to take is the hip measurement. You go to the hip, the fullest part of the down part is called the hip. So you place your tape on it. And try to rotate it upward and downward. If you cannot pull it down, that means it's tight. So you add ease to it again. You try to rotate it upward and downward. Then the next measurement to take now is the thigh measurement for pants, for making pants. You try to rotate that, the thigh measurement. Then the next one is the knee. you place your tape round the nail and ask the person to fold her nail a bit. You measure am, and the ankle also. That's how you take your ankle. You ask the person, take the armhole measurement. Ask your client to put her hand on her waist and place your tape on the shoulder. Make sure it's not too tight and not too loose for ease, so that the person can raise her hand up. Then the next thing is the bicep. Make sure you are not adding, it's not too loose, because when you are drafting your basic sleeve, we will normally add ease to it also. So anywhere you see not too tight, not too loose, because you are still going to add a little bit ease on the when drafting the pattern. Make sure it's not too tight and not too loose. Then the next thing to do is the elbow measurements, elbow bicep. You will take it to not too tight and not too loose. Then for the wrist, you will take the measurement too. Bicep of the wrist too, you take it not too tight and not too loose. Then next thing to take now is the across back, where the arms goes in on the body part, on the back side. When your arm goes in to the other, the way we locate our shoulder points, that's how we are going to take it from this side to the other. Then your across chest too, from where your arms goes in to the other. That's how you measure your across chest. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you next time.